Namaste.
Namaste.
Bonjour, I'm Sunita.
Moyen, I'm Sujata.
Happy International.
Women's Day.
It's such a pleasure to be a part of such a great event, isn't it, Sujata?
Yes, Sunita. And it's so nice that IAL this year is aligning with the Indian Ladies Association of Belgium to celebrate this International Women's Day, and we are so happy to be part of it.
That's really amazing. Well, International Women's Day is celebrated throughout the world on 8th of March. It is to celebrate women's achievements,
Yes, and raise awareness and gender equality.
which is very important at this point. We can really say that.
Yes, it's really true.
Yes, and during this pandemic period, everyone has gone through so much, especially the women.
Yes, and the best part of this pandemic period, I'm not sure though, but still, most of the women were quite innovative, spent a lot of time in their kitchen, preparing some wonderful dishes and catering to their family, and probably innovating. I, for one, did a lot of innovation with the millet recipes, probably which my grandmother would have done it on a daily basis.
Well, and in fact, I did the same. I did a lot of fusion food and a lot of authentic food, which we really miss in Luxembourg. We don't really get it here.
Yes.
And it was so nice to see we had 20 participants for the Malikai kitchen.
Yes, that's true. And the best part is, like, you and me don't get to taste the food this
Yes.
time, but we are going to judge the event based on the visual effects.
Yes, it's a visual treat for us. Ladies, hats off to you for putting so much of efforts.
Big thanks to Trupti Wagmare, the president of iLab, which was founded in 2015, and this is the third edition of Malika A Kitchen, for which me and Sunita are the judges. Sunita.
Yes, we had 20 entries and we have shortlisted 5, and the names are
Ladla chicken,
Tasty Tokri,
potato paneer bird's nest,
yes, Tikki Sabudana Ki,
and a delicious affair.
yes. Can we have the slideshow, please? So our viewers can also see
Yes,
what efforts everyone has put into it.
yes.
Well, this is Tikki Sabudana Ki. This is Ladla chicken drums with scotch eggs hatched over layered rice.
I like this presentation, Sunita, basically due to the fact that there are so many ingredients gone into this dish, but it has been beautifully plated, and they have a homemade pink tulle on top of the colored rice, which seems to be eye-catching dish.
It is indeed. It is a visual treat to see this. The next one, please. Yes, you already saw. It is Tikki Sabudana Ki. A simple yet very beautifully presented. It is made of tapioca and potatoes, but it is again eye-catching. The way it's been presented, neat and clean, and I really like this one as well.
The next
Next
one.
one. A delicious affair.
I think a lot of ingredients has gone into this dish as well. But the beauty is it has been plated very well, following the rules of the
Malika
competition.
kitchen.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's true.
So,
That's an important part of
part
the
of the
show.
show, yes.
Exactly. Yes. This is potato paneer bird's nest. Potatoes paneer bird nest. It looks very much real.
Yeah.
It is made of vermicelli and simple potatoes, but the art in it's recommendable. If you see it, very
Yeah.
detailed work has been done.
It's a visual treat
It
actually.
is.
Yes.
This is also very nice. Yeah. The next one, please. Tasty Tokri.
Yes. Beautifully decorated dish. Very simple, but I think a lot of hard work must have gone into making this.
It is. If you see the tulip she has made, it is khandvi. I don't know how many people are aware of it. It's a very famous Gujarati dish which takes a lot of efforts to make it, and she has made a tulip out of it. They're doing 3 colors, yellow, red and green, and it's really beautiful.
Yes.
This is Mexican Mastani.
Yes. there seems to be a lot of dishes in this presentation, but the main highlight of this presentation is there is a face of a woman, if you can see, in the
Yes,
form.
exactly. It's just here for the viewers. It's
Yeah.
just here.
Yeah.
You can see it's made with salad
Yeah.
and very neatly and beautifully done.
Yeah, I think it is a very good idea. I mean,
Yes.
it's a very creative idea.
Yes. And best way to celebrate Women's
Women's
Day.
Day. Yes.
Very nice. We
Very
should.
nice.
Hats off to all the women who have taken part in it. All the 20 contestants. You all are a winner. It doesn't matter you are in the list or not, but you all are a winner.
Yes.
So let's go with the
Announcing
announcing exactly. The third prize winner is potato paneer bird nest.
And that dish was by Geetanjali Venkata Subbu Raj.
Congratulations to you. It is very nice. And the second winner is Ladla chicken.
Yeah. And that dish was prepared by Sushrita Patnaik.
Amazing, really amazing. And the winner is Tasty Tokri.
Yes, prepared by Forum Shah. So, congratulations to you, Forum Shah, for winning this year's Malika A Kitchen.
Yes, you did a fabulous job, as I said, all of you. And the judges' prize, the fourth prize, goes to Sabudana ki tikki. The garnish was awesome, although it was a very simple recipe, but the way it was presented was excellent. Hats off to you. And a special mention for Mexican Mastani for doing such a great work.
Yeah, it's a visual treat. Mexican Mastani is a visual treat.
All the best to all of you, all the ladies, and hope to see you all again next year, winning everyone's heart through your kitchen.
Yes.
Namaste. Vadakkam.
Yes. Hope to taste the food next year, hopefully. Good evening.